Hey y'all, welcome to another video from wreckingow.com. I'm starting to get excited for the opening of the Texas Public Land Draw, so we're going to highlight how we built our hunting bike today. First, I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like in action. On a recent blog post, we documented how to take a bike and turn it into a hunting vehicle for getting a game cart into and out of public land. The cart we're using is made by Hawk and it's called the Crawler. Each side of the cart has two pneumatic wheels on a single arm that spin independently from one another. This allows you to drive over bumps, rocks, even trees without having any issue with the cart keeping up. I added a rack to the back of the bike and drilled a hole that would allow for a pin that could be inserted through a clamp that attaches the cart to be pulled behind the bike, but can be easily removed if you have to go into rougher terrain where the bike can't go. The only modification I made to the Hawk Crawler was to add a series of pins to the back section that allowed it to remain open. Typically, the weight of the animal would keep this section open, but as I'm traveling in, I'm obviously not going to have anything in the back, so I don't want this banging around as I'm driving through the woods. Another modification I made to the bike was to add support for carrying my bow on the front of the bike. In past years, I had actually just carried it on my back on my pack, but this wasn't always comfortable for long rides. So I took some aluminum and some brackets I made and attached these Copeland bow holders, and it's actually made a huge difference. I really like the setup. You just have to be careful that the weight of the bow doesn't pull your bike over. And that's really all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments what you think.